Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this full face using only first impressions. I did this entire look using only products that I have never tried. I cannot wait for you guys to see some of the products that I tried out today because some of them, girl, are insane, like insanely good. I'm obsessed with the way that this look came out. I feel like it's perfect for summer and it's super easy to do, honestly, and I feel like it will look good on any eye shape. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. My face is already moisturized, but we're just gonna go in with a little bit of primer. I'm just gonna be trying out Tarte's Mermaid Skin Serum. I'm just going to apply a little bit on the back of my hand, just because I don't know how this feels, and then I'm just going to take it from there and apply it on my skin. So I'm just tapping that in. Ooh, this feels really, really hydrating, guys. Just add some underneath the eyes. Cause girl, these bags, they're something else. It goes on super wet, but I love how it dries down super quick and you don't have to wait a long time. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using CoverFX Power Play Foundation, and this is in the shade G70. Ooh, look how cool this applicator is, guys. I have one job. I love the fact that this is plastic, so for people like me that drop everything, this is very, very convenient. And I'm just applying that on the back of my hand, and then we're gonna go in with a brush and put it all over our face. This foundation feels really nice going on the skin, but I do notice that it's starting to dry pretty quickly, so we have to move quickly. I love the coverage on this foundation. I feel like it's medium to full and it's very, very buildable. Just going in with my beauty blender just to blend that out into the skin because, girl, I do not step out the house without blending my foundation with this. This foundation feels so light on the skin, it's ridiculous, but as I'm blending it with the beauty blender, I do feel it that it's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like pasty, like the beauty blender is kind of sticking to it a little bit. It feels very different than like any other foundation I've tried. If you don't like to wear too much makeup, girl, you can literally throw your powder away with this. Like, you don't even need to set it. For concealer, I actually don't have a new concealer that I'm gonna be trying out today, so I'm just gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna be mixing two shades. One of them is in the shade Light Medium Honey, and then the other one is in the shade Medium, and we're just gonna go ahead and pack this and cover these bags. I'm just gonna be applying first the Light Medium Honey shade, and I'm just applying that in a triangular shape. You guys already know this deal, like this is nothing new. Now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the medium color just to kind of bring that down a little bit. Now I'm going back in with my beauty blender just to blend this out. For powder, I'm just gonna be using my good old Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I'm just gonna be dipping my beauty blender into the powder, and then we're going to go ahead and set our face. Now that the base is finally done, we can go ahead and move on to the eyes. For eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be trying out the Kylie Cosmetics Bronze Extended Palette. I mean, just look at these colors. They're like perfect for every day. I am obsessed with palettes like this because these are literally the colors that I use all the time. And it also comes with this nice blending brush, which we're gonna be obviously trying out. The first shade I'm gonna be using is going to be the shade Cold Citrine. And I'm just gonna take that on the outer V, blend it into the crease. Ooh, her shadows are popping, girl. What? Look at that pigment. Next, I'm just gonna be going into the shade Goddess. And I'm just gonna place that exactly where I placed that first color, but this is just going to darken it up and intensify it a lot more. Look how pretty these two colors look together. This eyeshadow palette is super easy to blend and it's pretty pigmented. I am getting a little bit more fallout with this color. I don't know if it's because of the brush that I'm using or because I'm just going a little bit more in with this shade. but I am getting a little bit of fallout. I did notice that with the first shade, I barely got any. I don't even think I got any fallout at all. But with this color, I am getting a little bit more. But again, it could be my brush, because for the first one, I did use the brush that came with the palette. Next, I'm just gonna be mixing the shades Amber and Copper together, and I'm just taking them on a flat brush. I am gonna spray my brush with Max Fix Plus just to get those eyeshadows to look super pigmented. And I'm just applying this to the center of the lid. Whoa, girl. These colors are beautiful. To highlight my brow bone, I'm just gonna be going into the shade Quartz. To smoke out the lower lash line, I'm just gonna be going back into the shades Citrine and Goddess. Now I'm just gonna go in with the shade Goddess, and I'm literally going to apply that exactly where I applied that first color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara and some falsies off camera, because I don't have any new ones that I'm gonna be reviewing today. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop that on off camera. And I'm back. I just applied some mascara, and for lashes, I did use Lily Lashes in Opulence. Those are like my babies. Like, I love those lashes. You guys know that I use them about 95% of the time. So yeah, let's move on to highlight. For highlight, I'm gonna be using Nomad Scotland, and this is in the shade Midnight Sun. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on my cheeks. Ooh, girl. What? Oh my god, I don't even have to say anything. Oh my god, I'm shook at this highlight. Like, look at that. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the top of the brow. Ooh, this is so pigmented. It's insane. Look at that. Make my job easier, Nomad. Just make my job easier. This highlight is literally one of my favorite things that I've tried today. Like, for lipstick, I'm gonna be mixing two shades today, and they're both from Kylie Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Party Girl, and this one is in the shade LA. I'm just gonna be taking the Party Girl lip liner to line my lips. What a perfect name for this lipstick, by the way. I love how her lip liners just like literally glide on. Like, they're not streaky. They go on so smoothly. Can we just talk about how good her lipstick smells? Like, oh my god, I love the smell of them. This color though is everything, perfect for summer. So now let's tone this down about 10 notches by applying the shade LA. This is such a pretty nude. It's a little bit too light for me just to wear it on its own, but it is a really, really pretty nude. It did tone it down a lot more, and now it kind of looks like a little peachy coral kind of shade, which I'm feeling with this look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like this look. I also hope that you guys liked this type of video. It is different for me. I've never done a first impressions ever, but I hope you guys did like it. If you did, please let me know in the comments, and I will be doing a lot more of these type of videos. If you did enjoy watching this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments any videos or looks that you guys are interested in seeing next from me, and I'll see you guys on my next video.